If you've ever saved some money and then ended up spending it again during an emergency, you're not alone. That's exactly why an emergency fund exists. In this video, I'm going to explain what an emergency fund is, why it's one of the most important parts of your financial life, and why it should come before investing. Because if you skip this step, you're building your financial future on unstable ground. Let's start simple. An emergency fund is money that you set aside only for emergencies. Not for shopping, not for vacations, not for random expenses, only emergencies. Things like losing your job, unexpected medical bills, car repairs, or urgent situations you didn't plan for. That's it. Now, here's the problem most people have. When something unexpected happens, they don't have money set aside. So they use credit cards, take out loans, or go into debt. And that's how financial stress begins. An emergency fund protects you from that. Think of it as a financial safety net. It doesn't make you rich. It doesn't grow quickly, but it protects everything you're working so hard to build. Now let's talk about how much you actually need. A common beginner goal is to save 1 to 3 months of basic living expenses. But if you're starting from zero, don't focus on the full amount yet. Start with your first $1,000. That amount alone can cover many small emergencies and give you peace of mind. Remember, progress is made step by step. It's better to start small than to do nothing at all. Now let's talk about where to keep your emergency fund. It should be easy to access, but not too easy to spend. That's why many people keep it in a separate savings account, not in cash at home, not mixed with their everyday spending money. Keep it separate, because if it's mixed in with your regular money, chances are it will eventually disappear. Now here's the most important idea in this entire video. An emergency fund is not an investment. It is protection. Investing is about growth. An emergency fund is about stability. You don't use it to make money. You use it so that you don't lose control when life throws unexpected challenges your way. Now let's talk about some common mistakes. Mistake number 1, not having an emergency fund at all. Many people skip this step and regret it later. Mistake number 2, investing all your money before building a safety net. You don't borrow money. You don't move backwards. You stay stable. The main takeaway is this. An emergency fund is what keeps your financial progress alive when life becomes unpredictable. Without it, one bad moment can erase months of hard work. With it, you stay in control. In the next video, I'll show you how to stop living paycheck to paycheck and finally start keeping more money every month. Because financial stability is the first step toward real wealth.